Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your camera view within the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and log into your account using your Facebook account or your Call of Duty one. You can also continue as a guest, and once you gain access to your home screen, you can directly start and choose what kind of game you want to play. Now, within the Call of Duty game, there is the first person and the third person camera mode. So if you wish to play the third person camera mode, then you will need to play the specific game version. If you play the zombies mode, then you are not able to choose from third person or the first person mode. Now, if you play ranked match, you can choose multiplayer for first person, and you can choose battle royale for third person mode. The same is the case for non-ranked matches as well. When you tap on the battle royale option and you are all set with your teammates and you are ready to start your match, tap on the map option, and now you have various different options to choose. You can choose from first person perspective as well as third person perspective. Just choose whichever perspective you want and tap on the confirm button, and this will allow your selected camera preference onto your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your camera mode on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.